In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain to Shopify. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll share helpful context so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening your Shopify store and signing into your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, look to the lower left corner and click Settings. In the Settings menu, select Domains. This is where Shopify manages any web addresses connected to your store. On the Domains page, choose Connect Existing Domain. You'll see a box where you can paste the domain you already own. Type or paste your domain exactly as it's registered, then continue. At this stage, Shopify will check the domain and give you the option to transfer it to Shopify. Click the option to transfer it to Shopify and then simply follow the prompts on your screen. Those prompts are important, so here's what to expect. You may be asked to confirm that your domain is unlocked with your current registrar. If it's locked, you'll unlock it on your current provider's website before continuing. You'll likely need an authorization or EPP code. Your provider gives this to you, and you'll paste it into Shopify when prompted. Keep an eye on the email connected to your domain registration, because you may receive messages asking you to approve the transfer. Approving promptly helps avoid delays. Shopify may also show you the transfer fee, which usually includes a 1-year renewal for your domain. That's normal for domain transfers. After you confirm, the transfer process will begin, and you'll be able to track the status right inside the Domains section. Transfers can complete quickly, but depending on the provider, they can sometimes take a few days. While you're waiting, avoid cancelling your domain with your current provider and keep any privacy or contact details up to date until the transfer finishes. Once the transfer is complete, your domain will appear in your Shopify domains list, and Shopify will automatically provision an SSL certificate so your site loads securely. If you ever need to reference what you did, remember the flow. Open your Shopify store, go to Settings, click Domains, choose Connect Existing Domain, paste your domain, select the option to transfer it to Shopify, and then follow the prompts on your screen. That's it. By staying within Shopify's guided steps and confirming any emails you receive, you'll move your domain under Shopify's management with minimal hassle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently transfer your domain to Shopify.